Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can disable voice chat in Valorant. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just press escape in Valorant and then just press here in audio. And you're gonna see it right here in voice chat. So just click voice chat and you're gonna see team voice chat and you just wanna click off. And voila, this is how you do it. So again, you go escape, audio, voice chat, and turn voice chat off. And you can also like turn the party voice chat if you want to off. It's up to you. And that's pretty much it. So guys, if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.